Instagram is a launchpad for aspiring models and influencers. But among this digital crowd, one figure has captured everyone's attention, Aitana Lopez. And here's the jaw-dropping secret. She's not a real person. Yes, this AI-generated Instagram model has taken the internet by storm and has gathered more than 276K followers with just 77 posts. Some even say that she's earning more than $10,000 a month. Now, the amazing thing is that you don't have to just watch from the sidelines. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm your AI presenter Julia from Wondershare Virbo. In today's video, I'll show you how to make AI Instagram influencer in a few simple steps. And stick around because we have a special secret to share at the end of this video. We'll reveal how you can transform your AI-generated images into captivating videos. But before that, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest content. Now are you ready to make an impact with your AI influencer? First, let's show you how to build up an AI influencer Instagram account. Start by downloading the Instagram app from your app store or visit the website on your PC. There, you'll find options to sign up. You can sign up using your email, phone number, or even directly through your Facebook account. Now, give your AI influencer an identity. This starts with a catchy account name and an engaging bio. They are very important as they create the first impression for your followers. If you can't think of anything attractive, then instead of striking your head on a wall, just take the help of ChatGPT. For example, if your AI influencer will be in the beauty tips niche, open ChatGPT and ask, "Hi, I'm creating an Instagram account focused on beauty tips. Can you suggest some unique and catchy account names and bio ideas?" In response, ChatGPT will provide you with several options. Choose the one that aligns best with your AI influencer's persona. Then make some changes yourself and create a perfect account name with bio. Now that you have set the stage, let's show you how to create realistic AI influencer. You can use the Midjourney AI image generator for this purpose if you want. But for now, we'll be using Wondershare Pixpic. It's another image generator that can create ultra-realistic AI Instagram models. Open your web browser and type in Wondershare Pixpic. Now here's the Pixpic website we need. When you open it, you'll be greeted with a gallery of beautiful portrait styles. Browse through them and imagine which style best suits your AI influencer. For our demonstration, I'm drawn to the pink style. It's vibrant and perfect for the beauty niche. Once you've decided, click on the Confirm Style button. Now, agree to the terms, conditions and carefully read the upload requirements. They're there to make sure your final image is as stunning as possible. Then click here to continue. Now it's time to upload your images. Click on Upload Images. Here's a pro tip. Select at least 5 clear and high-quality photos to ensure the AI has enough data to create a realistic and detailed portrait. After uploading your photos, hit Submit. The AI will start its magic now. It will combine the style you chose with the details from your photos and create a lifelike AI influencer for you. Wow, it's amazing! Now that we have our AI-generated portrait, it's time to post them on Instagram. This is where you introduce your virtual influencer with the digital world. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can upload new content. Select the AI-generated portrait that you created with Wondershare Pixpic. Before you post, think about your caption. It should be engaging and reflect the personality of your AI influencer. Add a fun fact about the beauty tip of the day or a thoughtful quote. Once you're happy with how everything looks, press the Share button. Your AI influencer's first post is live for the world to see. Keep an eye on those likes and comments, and interact with your growing audience. Posting consistently and engaging with your followers is key to building a successful presence on Instagram. And now, let's reveal another extremely useful tip for your AI influencer. Now imagine that your AI influencer is talking to your audience. Is it possible? With Wondershare Virbo, yes it is. The talking photo feature of Wondershare Virbo can make your AI influencer speak. You can write whatever you want in Virbo and the software will make your AI-generated model speak it. Just like this one.
Welcome to Wondershare Virbo. I am your AI avatar. Use photo magic to make your photos talk and come to life.
It's an excellent idea for increasing engagement on your Instagram account. Your posts will not only capture attention but also spark conversations and build deeper connections with your audience. And if you prefer not to animate photos, no problem. Virbo provides over 300 AI avatars. These avatars are ready to be used in your AI influencer account. And that's it. We've just shown you how to make AI influencer like Aitana Lopez. From setting up an Instagram account to making your first post, we've covered all the essentials to kickstart your AI influencer marketing. The digital world is constantly evolving, and so should your AI influencer. Stay creative, keep engaging, and never stop experimenting with new ideas to keep your content fresh.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful content. See you next time.